Okay, you can talk now.
Yes, I'm talking from Labaleine, Haiti, and we have experienced an earthquake of 7.0 yesterday afternoon that really shook up the town, and the buildings really swayed back and forth. And then this morning, about 4 o'clock, I went on the main route to see what was going on, and I have found that the road looks very bad, and then lots of houses came down, and people are in a very desperate situation, and they are calling on the Lord for help, and then they are all on the street. That's in fact in my village, that where we slept last night. There were about 30 or 40 people of us. We couldn't sleep in our house, so we had to sleep on mattresses on the outside. It's scary to see that. And now it's Wednesday morning, and the sun is very fine, but there are a lot of people who have lost their lives, lost their houses, the houses that they have spent all of the things that they have to build it with no insurance, and I'm not sure when they're going to be able to build that back up. So I pray that the Lord will continue to have mercy on these people, and because people are praying for deliverance, and we trust the Lord will help them. But it's very chaotic here. A lot of buildings have been lost, and Petit Guave and Grand Guave, and it's very, very difficult. It's a very difficult scene to watch, and I pray that people will be restored, but it's going to be a long process. Thank you. Bye. Okay, Sam.
Okay, thank you, Dan. I appreciate that.